going, YouTube? Nicholas Daniel with Flying Vulture Capital, and I'm here to continue my series where I trade to $1 million. Today was a pretty stressful day of trading. I got shooken out of my first position and almost lost on my second position, but ultimately I was able to trust my gut, trust the math, and come out a winner. Let's see how I did it. So I started the day off with technical analysis on the S&P 500. I was looking at Fibonacci sequences because of the gap down and I had a bearish sentiment. Because of this bearish sentiment, I decided to sell a call credit spread, selling pretty high deltas so I didn't risk much capital. Unfortunately, I was shooken out of the position, taking a $300 loss. I don't have a video of me taking the loss, but I do have a video here of the market rallying up. One important thing to consider is if you start your day off with a loss, do not get the mindset of, I've got to make up the capital. Some of my worst trades I have ever made were attempting to make up for a loss. Simply hit the reset button, pretend it's a new day, and say, I've got an opportunity to make a new trade. Look at the market with a fresh pair of eyes, and I guarantee you, statistically, you're probably not going to lose 2 times in a row. So I redid technical analysis on the S&P 500 and saw we were going to be range bound between the highs from Friday and the Fibonacci levels beneath the market. Because of this, my sentiment was net neutral. So I entered an iron condor, the only position which can profit from this price action. Unfortunately, by the end of the day, the market rallied above the top price of my condor and I had a choice. Do I take my losses or do I wait for a pullback? My logic was simple. Market was range bound all day and on one high volume candlestick, it rallied above. This looked weak and I believed that ultimately the market would sell off. Fortunately, my logic was correct, and as you can see here, there were a lot of sellers which pushed the market back into the range of my condor. Seeing this, I took profit immediately. I didn't risk it for maximum gains. I stayed humble and took a winning day. By the end of it, I made $1,600, an awesome winning day.